Click on the Shared Drives tab to view the list of all shared drives in your domain. You can use Search and filter them. Select all or only some of the drives and assign an SLA protection plan to enable regular backups. Click Recover to preview and restore data. You can navigate across the shared drive directory structure. In addition to the standard folders, AFI backs up the trash folder that keeps the items recently deleted from the shared drive. AFI also backs up the Recents, which is a system folder that includes recently changed or created items. Use Search if you need to recover a specific version of a file or a folder. The system will show you all distinct versions of the items that match your search criteria. When you download native Google files offline, they are automatically converted to their Microsoft equivalents, such as Microsoft Word documents or Excel spreadsheets. You can restore the entire shared drive or only some of the items. Shared drives can be restored to the same drive, any other shared drive in your domain, or a user's Google Drive. Recover data to a separate folder if you want to keep the existing versions, or select the In-Place Recovery option to replace the files in the destination drive. AFI is the only Google Workspace backup service that preserves Google Document IDs when restoring files. If you use third-party apps integrated with Google Drive, they will continue to work normally with the files you recover from AFI Backup, and the sharing links will remain the same. When you export the entire shared drive or multiple files, they will be downloaded as a zip file. If you delete a shared drive from your domain, AFI will keep the backups and will transition the shared drive to the archived status. No new backups are run for archived drives, but you can still search and recover their data. Orphaned shared drives are the drives that don't have an active owner in their domain. The system will highlight such drives. To back them up, you first need to fix the ownership permissions. Follow the instructions in the AFI knowledge base to do so. AFI standard licensing is based on the number of protected users, so you don't need additional licenses to protect your shared drives. Thanks for watching. Feel free to start a trial. It only takes a few clicks to set up.